Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yamgelam Kagwana and this is my second video. So as you guys can see from the title, we are doing a brow tutorial. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your brows. Period. Okay, let's get to this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, so we're gonna grab our products, your pencil, your concealer, your sponge, your concealer brush, and last but not least, your smudge. And then yeah, we're gonna start with our using our smudge, and then just gonna brush that your brows actually. And then you're gonna draw a line at the bottom of your brows, just a straight line, not a straight line, but yeah, draw your line. And then when you get there, then you're gonna start making like a curve, going down, just going for a shape, you know. Then you're gonna do the same thing again, and then now we're going the top of your brows. You're gonna start drawing your brows in the middle of your top brows at the top, and then you're gonna start filling it in. And then when you get there, you're gonna do like an upwards motion. That's what I do. And then going back to your smudge again. And then you're just gonna brush that too. You're gonna brush that through, just like an upwards motion again, just to get that blur, you know, guys. That blur. Just gonna brush that to get here. And now you're gonna go for your concealer, your concealer brush. That's all you need. And then we're gonna start curving our brows. Just gonna clean. We're gonna clean our brows. I'm gonna dip that in my hand because you know I have to. I'm gonna get that concealer. Then yeah, make sure when you do this, you guys, you need to make sure that you don't mess your brows. You don't get get the concealer on your brows. So yeah, because it's gonna mess up your look. It's gonna mess up your look, and you'll have to start again. Trust me, if you get your concealer, if you mess it up, you're gonna get tired by starting your brows again. Trust me on that. And make sure to get that shape, you guys, that shape that you want. Especially curving your brows is just one important thing. Then going for the top. And yeah. You need concealer. You need a lot of concealer. Not a lot of concealer actually, but you need concealer, but not a lot of it. I don't know, whatever. But you need concealer. Just yeah. But I use a lot of concealer, you guys. I use a lot of concealer. I don't know why. I love my concealer. I love my concealer. See that? That's a lot. My God. I don't know what I was thinking, but whatever. Then I'm gonna take my sponge. Then just clean that. We don't need that, you know. We don't need that concealer anymore. We don't. Then just yeah, do that. Do just that. Oh my God, what's wrong with me? Just be careful, y'all. Be careful. Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. I hope it's been easy, you guys. I hope it's easy for you. I mean, oh, tired. Girl is tired. Girl is tired. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna like quickly do my face off camera.
And that is it, you guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and this is the final look. Yeah, I did my face off camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment on what you think about the video, and if you have learned, then comment down below to let me know if you have learned anything. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Love to you guys, lots of loves. Yeah, that's it, you guys. Love y'all. Bye. Sissy.